Welcome to HomeSite. This is the tutorial for managing contacts. There are two main categories of contacts. The first are staff contacts. These are typically members of the care agency and could be doctors, care professionals, or administrators. The other category of contacts are non-staff contacts. These typically are friends and family of the account principal. If you are logged in as a staff member, you can view the full list of staff by clicking on Staff on the left sidebar. From here, if you have the privileges to do so, you can add a staff contact by clicking the plus sign. From here, add the first name, last name, and email of the person you would like to add, as well as their job description. Next, you will choose the privileges for this user. Assigning the role of staff allows the user to create staff events and call staff. Giving the user the staff admin role allows them to manage devices, accounts, and staff members. It also includes privileges from the staff tier. Once this is filled out, click Submit to send the email invitation for them to set up their account. In order to grant a staff member the ability to interact with an account, we locate the account we would like them to gain access to and click the Assign Staff button. If you do not see this button, please contact your staff admin who will have the privileges necessary to add it for you. In the Assign Staff menu, first select the staff member you would like to add in the relationship fields, and assign the appropriate privileges. The social category allows the staff member to create events, call contacts, and call the account principal. The care category allows everything from the social category, but also allows the staff member to access event and call history. Finally, the manage category allows everything from the previous two categories, along with the ability to add and manage contacts, as well as manage devices and schedules. Once all this is filled out, simply click Submit to commit the changes. Now that we've covered staff contacts, let's discuss non-staff contacts. To begin, let's add one by clicking the Invite button located here. Fill in the first name, last name, and email of the person we're inviting, and include relationship details. Finally, select the appropriate permission level. The permission tiers are the same as they were for adding the staff member. Once all this is done, click Submit. If the contact added does not yet have an account, they will receive a welcome email inviting them to set up their account. To remove a contact, navigate to the account principal's contacts list and click the X next to their contact you would like to have removed. You can also click the pencil to make changes to any of the contact details. This was the tutorial for managing contacts. Thank you.